I stand on the not many people want to pull the trigger debate, and I would totally concur with that. I think there have been moments in time. You go back to the actual original Brexit vote, and even relatively recently in December, when markets were become sort of completely dislocated. The risk that was being priced in, and you get opportunities such as that.
Right.
But generally speaking, and people I speak to, not only have you got this, you've got to wait until the vote takes place, and there's a response to stocks as a consequence, but you've also got the currency to take into consideration.
Well, on that point, what's interesting is that the currency investors seemingly have reacted. Currency markets have taken a view that the probability of a no-deal Brexit has lessened after the succession of the government defeats a couple of weeks ago. That is the view in the currency markets. We've got sterling trading close to 131 now. And so investors in that space seem to be buying into the story that we will somehow get to a positive outcome. Why is that not the case in equity space? Why are equity investors so reluctant to get involved?
I don't know. I think currency markets are more speculative.
Right.
Their time horizons can be significantly shorter. The liquidity is significantly greater. I think there are opportunities in the short term for short-term traders, but you've got to bear in mind these guys are taking decisions of 12 months or maybe longer, at least in their own minds.
Any stocks that come to mind, though? I know you have single stocks that you look at. Is there any stocks that you would actually consider getting involved in the UK here?
I think that currently, the sell-off that we saw in some of the tech stocks early on in the year presented opportunities, and we specifically sort of recommended buying into Micro Focus. Sage was another one. We're talking about UK names.
Yeah, UK,
we're
UK
obviously responsible for Europe as well, but just in terms of UK names. So that was an opportunity one could take. At the end of last year, the gold stocks, the Randgold as it was then, looked very attractive. Polymetal, Centamin, in fact gold stocks across the globe. So that was an opportunity, but subsequently of course they've rallied, and there's the takeovers that we've seen. And then in food and beverage, I think some of those more defensive sectors now are looking pretty interesting too. So Diageo would be a name, for example, to talk about. Interesting.
So you're taking a view on a global sector, say a tech or mining sector, and then expressing that position in UK, where I guess the valuation is a little bit more attractive.
In the right sectors right now, yeah.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.